Hello, I'm Tommy Lee at CTR Customer Management Team. I'm pleased to meet you all of our valued customers through this social media. I'm mainly in charge of board crew for global customers and penetrating new product promotion to extend product portfolio at CTR. As account representative for Renault at CTR, the main goal to be achieved in 2021, how we can make customers satisfied with entire CTR group by following customers' strategy. So we are deeply considering and planning to follow up Renaulution, which is a new strategy plan in 2021 by Renault Group as CTR's plan as much as possible. Resurrection, renovation, and revolution in the value chain of new mobility. CTR team has been researching and developing new product portfolio that are lighter and more efficient along with customer voices and automotive trend. CTR is the first company to develop and start serial production for bore screw technology in Korea. This is mainly applied for our EPS, braking system, and other wide range of field in the vehicle with low operation noise, high efficiency, and durability. Lastly, we've been launching named MAXLITE. This is centered on the development of new technologies and services to pursue lightweight component. Thanks for watching, and please keep an eye on how will CTR team grow.